What is this song that's playing?
Oh, it's like the special, like...
It's a KK Slider song.
Yeah, do you remember, like, how you had to play on Saturday night?
Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Yeah,
I played that game.
Yeah, dude. That was sweet. I was so hyped. I couldn't wait for Saturday night so I could, like roll by myself. Yeah, it was sweet.
Oh. I don't know about this game, man.
Yeah, it looks like he's just like throwing bananas at him to knock him down and then just like...
Ooh, that says slip off aerial, whatever it was. Indeterminate aerial.
Are we allowed to swear on this channel?
I think not.
Word.
That should out to you, dude. Like, get super offended when you say bad words. This is like somewhat associated with him, you know?
Okay. Yeah,
create a nice warm community.
Yeah. Keep it clean, keep it above the belt.
Alright, I'm just like gonna... someone's gonna lose and just look at this match and like... just like Cypher and Scrap commentating. PM. That was insane smash DI right there. Did anyone else see that?
I didn't see it.
That's crazy.
Can you know if you can tag, like, trips when you trips with the banana?
You know, it's PM, so probably not.
Yeah. I got knocked down now.
Oh wow, what a good read. What an incredible read. That's insane. Dude, Chillin has got to be the best player of all time.
Yeah, dude. Chill, dude.
Whoa. Whoa! I've never seen a mind game like that before.
Pretty sweet.
I like how he's angling his shield so that the the thing goes up.
Oh yeah.
And what happens? The reason you do that is because when Chillin, if Chillin were to get a hit on him, right, he would throw him up and into the
banana and trip him.
No, into the. No, I'm saying like when he fires his like laser beam or whatever, right? His blaster. He's JJ over here is angling his shield, right, so that it goes up.
Yeah.
So if he gets hit, later he gets hit by it, and
Yeah, it's a long con.
It is a long con. These guys are just pros, really. Oh man, dude, did you see that sick banana mine game? Dude, look at these. What? Dude, all sorts of foods are just like on the field. This is insane.
Yeah, dude, they're not enter gems though, so Chillin's not having any of it.
Yeah. Oh man, looks like he doesn't have a say in the matter, Just like being force-fed the cookies that we were talking about in the hallway earlier.
Oh man, the song's from the dock.
I can't hear it over like Lyjans shouting obscenities.
This is when Isaiah was trying, It was just like he actually beat Ken one time in his life. Now I always got the feeling that if Isaiah tried, he could beat anybody. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I got that feeling too.
Yeah.
I played Isaiah once. And
did he try?
No, he didn't. But I got the feeling that if he did.
What a genius.
Yeah, he actually is. Did you know the art that's in the dock that's on Isaiah's part is actually that was drawn by Isaiah? It's on his DeviantArt page.
That's him drawing Mel. It's him and Mel.
Now that I think about it, you're right. I didn't even put two and two together, but that's him and Mel.
Yeah. I get the feeling that some people just get along, you know? Him and Mel.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I've had that feeling before. Whoa. Whoa.
It seems like the combos are very long in this matchup.
Are you kidding me?
They're just like hitting each other over and over again.
Dude, okay. Wolf just threw the... Dude, okay. Now, do you see the double trip that happened right there?
Yeah, that was sweet.
It's Chillin's genius showing. And that's why he's gonna 4-stock JJ. Here, you know?
Or JJ.
Why is Chillin wearing the curse tag?
Huh? Maybe he lost a bet or something. I don't know.
He's
Like he's feeling cursed. Maybe he lost a bet or something.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. He got cursed.
You mad?
Seagull Joe has got to be the worst rager of all time. I think he's the angriest
Look at
single
how
person.
salty he is.
You can see the salt coming out of his, you know, his pores. What is this song? Is this the Poke Center song?
No, I think this is like when you're walking between towns.
Oh, yeah, no, sorry, this is rap. Dude, I feel bad now, I should have done that.
Only 90s gamers.
Yeah, only 90s
when were you born, Mac? When were you born?
I was born in 1990. You're right, I was born
in 91.
No, I was born in 87.
87, yeah.
And
that's why you don't remember.
That's why I don't remember. How could I have known?
I don't know, man.
Because only 90s gamers will know what kind of game this is.
You know, Max does all the mind games. Can he see what kids of Enter Gems?
No. I can't. What?
You don't get that because that was a cereals commercial from the 90s.
Oh. Yeah, dude, you know what? You're right. I'm sorry. Man, this is looking like a different game. Dude, JJ is just dominating Chillin. Oh my god, such banana mind games.
I think it's
like tech chase.
If the stage is bigger than Yoshi's story, he like gets a chance to throw the banana and he just kind of trips him infinity times.
Ooh, that was a nice DP motion by Chillin. Wow, dude, did you see him predict that side?
He do moves after he does a side B.
What, Diddy Kong?
No, fucking Wolf.
Well, yeah, of course.
Dude, oh yeah, obviously.
Okay, have you ever played the game Brawl? Super Brothers Brawl.
Super Brothers Brawl?
Yeah.
Oh, for the Nintendo Wii?
Yeah, actually, I think it is.
Oh yeah. I've heard of that.
Yeah, that's a game. But you know, this game is actually just a hacked version of that. That's why Nintendo banned it.
Damn. So Wolf is just Fox, right? He's just like
he's Fox with Pikachu's Nair, except it's actually a Dare. Oh, and his side B is like an up smash or something.
Okay. That sounds legit.
Yeah. I think the PM devs did a really good job.
Yeah.
With their space animal. You know, he feels like a unique, you know, different yet same space animal.
He's like a remix, like a mashup.
He is like a remix. You know, everything is a remix.
That's true.
You know,
that's pretty deep, man.
It is.
You know, Melee's kind of just like a remix of Smashboards.
It's a remix of what?
Smashboards.
It's a remix of Smashboards? Melee is a remix of Smashboards?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, you're right. Wow, what a cool up B. Is that his down tilt?
I don't fucking know, dude.
Yeah, it's probably his down tilt. Huh. So, wow, what an insane read. Dude, I don't think JJ's got this. I think Chillin's curse is about to be over, you know?
Yeah, I mean he beat Levin in a money match, so he was pretty good.
He beat Levin in the money match?
Yeah, he beat Levin in a money match. That's what I heard. For $1,000.
I thought it was for 5,000.
Yeah, I think Levin asked for 1,000, and then Chillin was like, "Why not 5?" Because he was so confident.
Yeah. I know what you mean. Yeah. I've seen that before. It's okay. Levin's like a bad person, so I can't imagine him, you know, playing this game. Wow. Dude, did you see that character select screen? You're right. This is the song when Isaiah tries.
Yeah. Now he will try, you know.
are a lot of X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Well, the whole top row is just like...
Why would you design a game like that? Why would
I don't know,
you design...
some people like to have fun next. You know, they're not all tryhards like you.
Wow, what a good read. Oh my god. Dude, did you see that quadruple shine?
Yeah, that was pretty insane. I don't know how anybody could get out of pressure like that.
I don't think it's possible. Yeah, I saw a video, it was titled 20XX, and
Oh yeah?
Pro Smasher Tim just multi-shines at Link's shield 200 times or something like that. Cool.
Have you seen
It's actually a remix of his video from 2007 where he multi-shines at Link's shield 10 times.
Have you seen Technical Fox?
By Cypher Phoenix.
I think it's by SA2 Master, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was actually banned from Homemade Waffles technical videos.
Actually, you know what? I know what video you're talking about.
It was really incredible. They found out he was taking Energems, so it got banned from the competition.
That's crazy. Yeah. You know, I wonder if like Energems is the new Adderall.
I think Energems is like chemically the same as Adderall, but like
Branded
something else.
Branded. It's branded differently.
Yeah.
That's really what it is. You know.
It's like they put Adderall in Gushers. I think that's what it is.
That's a really strong side tall. They killed him at like 300% or something, or 30. Yeah. You know,
That was a really long combo. Earlier I said that it looked like they just didn't have combos, but that was like, I guess they just like were messing up earlier.
You know, when you put the banana, so you put the banana in front of the shield, right?
Right.
What happens is if Wolf rolls forward, okay, then he trips over the banana, and you get a free opening. And actually, now that I think about it, JJ really is.
I guess as long as there's a banana down, it's like really hard to get any kind of like long combo. It's just like messes everything up for everybody.
No, I don't think so. I think bananas are a fair and balanced mechanic that really add to the game. The most important part is mind games like that one.
Yeah, I mean that's a bananas.
That was really good rocket control that I saw. It's actually just like it's really hard to make your rocket do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, he almost hit him.